Pristine started in 1998.
We do about 80% re-roofing compared to about 20% new construction, and we are about 65% of our business is roofing versus the siding department.
It was a very humbling start. We kind of didn't have any credit.
Being a new company, it was always hard to get a little bit credit with any of the suppliers out there.
IKO was the first shingles that we installed. I believe we became familiar with them through Rona or Revy at the time, and then we had met Nick.
Nick Biggs, who is now the IKO rep, took a shot on us, and we essentially had to pay for each job after the job was complete and we collected the money. But that helped us get started. And we slowly started from the one crew with the two of us to us splitting off. And we ended up running 2 crews. And we slowly started training foremen, and slowly but surely we grew over the years, and now we're at the size of having 14 crews between roofing and siding.
We've been able to build a business to over 50 employees.
I feel extremely confident in recommending IKO to our customers and other homeowners because of the fact that I am now in the industry for 30 years. The IKO shingles are absolutely fantastic.